All right, so the Golf and I are at the track. Brendan's helped me get strapped in, and off I go. This is the first track day for the Golf. Very excited, very nervous, but it's 50 degrees out. The track is wet. The tires are ice cold, and I just give it some gas and the front tires spin. So what could go wrong? Here we are coming up to the first turn. So far, so good. Second turn. Oh boy. Back tires just totally let go. So I figure I'll just go in and check in with the officials to let them know I'm okay and, see what they say.
I think no, we just like you to come in, okay, check you out. That's why we left mine. Okay, yeah. Full on, like, I wasn't even like, all of a sudden the car was like, woo! I wasn't even like, that's my first lap, and it's like cold ass tires and back over there. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna. Well, if you want to go back out, you're good to go back out. Okay. Yeah, I'm totally fine. Feel fine? Yeah. Okay. I did the lap and everything felt fine. Yeah, you're good to go. All right. Thank you.
All right, so he lets me go back out. Everything's still ice cold, but now I'm a little more cautious. I'm now mixing it up with the slower traffic, but everything's going pretty good. Car feels great. I am hitting boost cutoff, and here we go, several laps in. Oh, there's some water, and oh man. Thank God all those nice BMWs saw this pile of junk in front of them and knew that thing's never gonna make it. Anyway, here I go again, coming off.
I'm gonna take some air out of the side. Again? Yeah. What happened? Well, I went under the bridge. I think I got tires got wet. Yeah. And then that left-hander I spun. I'm gonna go let a little air out of the tires and just like take a moment. Yeah, exactly. Thanks, man.
Yeah, I saw that.
Fuck.
I was literally we were up there watching, and as I started scooting down the hill, I looked back and just see water flying. I drifted that like twice, like full sideways. It's wet.
I might need to let a couple PSs out of the back.
Yeah.
It's fucking
everywhere.
It's so hard to drive.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Like even like not under throttle.
Well, no, under. I mean, I'm just, trying to figure out where it all is.
Right.
I got a few things I'm thinking about.
What's that?
Like not spinning out, not driving like a fucking noob.
Well, fucking be fast in the straights and do lots of slowing before the turns.
Yeah, right.
I mean, literally.
Yeah. I just gotta get some good data because that's why I'm here.
Well, if not, see car drives.
All right, so I'm back out now, and I'm trying to collect data for Vedran, who is going to be looking at all this stuff, and he's going to see, and he's going to look at the tune and see if the car's, doing well and all that stuff. So the important thing now is to just collect data and have a good time and see how the car feels, and do exactly what Brendan was saying, which was go slow in the turns and fast in the straights. And I was hitting boost cutoff a lot on the straights, and it's a pretty quick, fast car. I just got to sort out the handling, figure out how to really drive it. But, oh boy. Hey, one of the other things is I don't have any side mirrors on the car right now, so it's so hard to see behind me, and it's definitely unnerving to see anything on the sides. And as you can see, the computer that's mounted loosely in the bottom of the car didn't record any data. So I had to go back out once more, but I didn't have any video of that. So that's what you got. We survived a track day. In just a short time, a couple weeks, we have New Jersey Motorsports Park, first Lemons race of the year for us and the Brooklyn Bomb Squad. So keep watching. Thanks. Appreciate it.